For the third session in a row, oil prices are staying almost unchanged. The reason for this could be the lack of any news or factors that could drive the energy market. However, it's still possible that this week oil prices may reach the highs from the previous weekly session. A drop in the US crude inventories that was reported yesterday may push the prices higher. In addition to this, durable goods orders in the US are expected to rise, which will give a further boost to fuel demand, while oil stockpiles are declining. This will definitely influence the Russian ruble. In what way? Let's find out in our video review. Brent crude is still trading in an uptrend that was formed on May 21st, but as we predicted earlier, the price has reversed from the resistance area at $69.70 per barrel. The current slowdown may serve as a moment for market participants to change the trend. At the moment, it's crucial to keep the price above the level of $65-66 a barrel. This may open the way towards $70 per barrel. There is a good chance that Brent may reach this target soon, given that the price is now holding near the level of 68.30. North American crude WTI is following a similar scenario. The price failed to overcome the resistance level at $65.05 per barrel, yet it's quite possible that WTI may edge a bit higher from the level of 65 amid a changing news background, and this may happen as soon as this week. Meanwhile, the dollar-ruble pair went slightly higher yesterday. We could have assumed that the ruble has started to depreciate. However, this is not the case. It was just a minor correction that has not largely affected the overall weakness of the US dollar and the rise of the Russian currency. The ruble is still going through a round of an upward cycle. To accumulate more trading volume, it needs to consolidate at least at the 71.19 level. Currently, the pair is trading at 73.40 rubles per US dollar. As for the euro, the ruble remains stable against its European rival. Most likely, the euro versus the ruble pair will be holding in the narrow range between 89.20 and 90.36. Given the current tendency, the trading strategy remains the same. It's better to trade within the boundaries of the formed channel. Until next week, no strong breakouts are expected. For several days, the ruble has been holding steady without strong fluctuations. The reason behind this is that there is no significant news background for the Russian currency. There is nothing that could push it higher or weigh on it. So regarding the ruble, the information background is empty. At the same time, this could indicate that the ruble has used all its growth potential. A few weeks ago, it was developing a steady uptrend under similar conditions. Probably investors are waiting for the moment to take profit, which will lead to a noticeable depreciation of the ruble. Today's macroeconomic data from the US is expected to be quite positive and thus may serve as a bearish factor for the ruble. Besides, analysts predict a significant strengthening of the US dollar against all other major currencies. That's all for now. You've watched Daily Financial News with me, Anna Kasatkina. Stay tuned.